Hello there, this is Elliot at Kingsbridge Automotive. Today we are having a look at our new into stock, new shape M135i. First one of these we've had in this latest iteration and shape. I wasn't sure when I first saw the pictures of it, but in the flesh it's actually a good looking thing. Finished in that black sapphire metallic. X-Drive. I think we've got 19s on there, they look like 19s to me. Cut and gloss black with those red calipers in the background. Lovely jubbly. So yeah, condition wise is as you'd expect from such a new car that's done less than 10,000 miles. Nothing to report really. Obviously you're going to get an odd little chip maybe, but I mean there doesn't look to be anything at all. So let's talk spec. Start at the boot. Electric tailgate. Lovely. Clean and tidy. So we've got some lovely options on this one. The pan roof, very important. M Sport Pro pack, Hammond Cardan, so tech pack. Heated steering wheel, so the button is not down there anymore, it's in here on your infotainment system. Electric front seats with memory, driver memory. What else have we got in here? Dual zone climate. Yeah, we've got that Alcantara half and half interior. Nice, very comfortable actually. Very nice indeed. A lot simpler than the last M135i, but I do like it. I really do. It's just there's not a lot going on, but I don't think that's a bad thing to have it all in there, and then obviously there's a few bits down there. Yeah, it's clean and tidy. I like it. So, one owner car. First service not due yet. Still under BMW warranty until March 28. Definitely one of the nicest examples in the UK right now. So don't miss out, give us a call on 01138 702 300. Thank you very much for watching.